I'm going to show you how to make a Valentine's card just like this one. You will need some white paper, red love hearts, some pens, some scissors and some glue. Now get your folded piece of paper and unfold it and fold it the opposite way. Now rip along that crease. Now get one of your pieces of paper and fold it into equal squares like so. Now unfold your sheet and cut along the lines. There we go. Now get your other sheet of paper and fold it in half. Now get your Pritt stick and glue on your squares. Now do that with all of your squares. Oh, here's one that I made earlier. Now get one of your hearts and glue it onto your card. If you've made any more, you could stick them on the inside, for instance. Now choose one of your pens and colour around the outside. You can do it however you like. Like that. Don't forget to put Happy Valentines. And there you have it, your very own Valentine's card.